Hello guys, welcome to my channel, The Guitar Connect. Finally, the official version of Windows 11 is out, or let me put it this way, the stable version of Windows 11 is out, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download it from the official website of Microsoft. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to show you how to download the ISO file directly from the official website of Microsoft. So without much ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. But before we go in, I want you to subscribe to the channel, I want you to press on the bell icon, and I want you to comment and share the video to encourage me to record more videos like this for you. So when we come here, so we have to go to this page. Okay, this page, I'll leave the link at the description of the video. So this is where you are going to download it from. You can clearly see that this is the official page of the Microsoft website. This is not any third-party website. This is the official Microsoft website that we are downloading the Windows 11 from. Okay, this is the stable version. So they have 3 steps. Okay, the first one is this one. This one, if you have a very good internet connection, you can try it, but since most times it takes a longer time to install, I wouldn't go by this way. And then the second one too is the same thing. You also have a very good internet to install, but what we are interested in is the download Windows 11 DeX image. That is the ISO file. This is what we want to download. So all what we have to do is that we have to select Windows 11 here, then we click on download. Okay, so when you click on download, it will ask you to select your product language. Okay, so we want English. If you want French and other language, you can also select it from this part. Okay, then you confirm it from here. Then let's go. Then we want to download the 64-bit version of the Windows 11. Then we click on it. Then let's wait. Then it will open up. You can see that the file size is 5.12 gigabytes. That's the file size. So you have to make sure that you have a very strong internet to be able to download this file. So this is all what the tutorial is about, and I really appreciate your time for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.